Hi guys! Kamusta? By the way, I am Sir JP. Came from Puerto Princesa City, Palawan, and I am here to help you. So I am a native Tagalog speaker with a bachelor degree and secondary education. And I know how to make learning this beautiful language easy and enjoyable for you. So my goal is not just to teach you word and grammar, but also I help you to speak naturally, to understand deeply, and to gain confidence in a real conversation. So what you have to expect from a lesson is first is practical and engaging learning. We're going to focus on a real life conversation, not just on the textbook rules. And the second one is the simple and clear grammar explanation. So I will break down so it is easy for you to understand. And third is the interactive and fun activities where we have games or storytelling or some role-playing to keep you motivated in learning Tagalog. And last, fourth rather, is the personalized lesson. So I will tailor your needs, whether you are a beginner or the advanced learner. And lastly is the cultural insight. So it is better to understand the emotion and of course the expression behind the Tagalog word. Alright guys, so book your first lesson today and let's make this learning Tagalog an exciting one. Tara, simulan na natin. Just click the book now button and let's start your Tagalog adventure together. See you in my class.